Is it time to buy or sell Salesforce.com stock? In this video, we will delve into Salesforce.com. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 11th of August, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You certainly do not want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 30th of July, 2025, our system has categorized Salesforce.com as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -5.18. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has faced a decline of -12.13%. This equates to an average daily loss of -1.35% since it was identified as a strong sell candidate. The stock has broken the wide and falling short-term trend downward. Initially, a stronger decline is indicated, but there may be instances of false breaks and sell-offs. Nevertheless, a continued drop is plausible, and any rebounds back to the breaking point, which is $237.27, are viewed as a second chance to exit. According to the fan theory, $209.36 will represent the new bottom line of the next trend, but it is too early to state this with certainty. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of 10.6% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from -8.84% to +1.88%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -8.19%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -15.07% to +36.85% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $197.61 and $318.43. Our latest daily update for Salesforce.com includes the headline, Weaker Technical Forecast for Salesforce.com as Stock Downgraded to Strong Sell Candidate. The Salesforce.com stock price fell by 3.26% on the last day, which was Monday, the 11th of August, 2025. It dropped from $240.51 to $232.68. This marks the third consecutive day of decline. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 4.43%, with a low of $231.62 and a high of $241.87. Over the last 10 days, the price has fallen in 8 of them, resulting in a decline of 13.9% for this period. The trading volume increased on the last day by 2 million shares, despite the falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the coming days. In total, 11 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $2.47 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $369, while the lowest was $230. Currently, the price is 36.94%, or $136.32, below the 52-week high of $369, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Breaking news. Salesforce is grappling with a significant data breach that has exposed personally identifiable information for potentially millions of individuals. This incident has implicated high-profile victims and has prompted a formal investigation. Google has reported that customer information was extracted from a Salesforce database, leading law firms to investigate potential liability claims. This incident occurs at a time when shares of customer relationship management companies are already down approximately 28% year-to-date amid a slowdown in sales growth. In the short term, we can anticipate renewed volatility, downside pressure, and possible accelerated selling as investors factor in legal costs, regulatory fines, remediation expenses, and the potential for customer churn. Enterprise customers may hesitate to proceed with large deployments until confidence in security is restored, which could impact near-term revenue and guidance. Looking at the long-term outlook, the underlying strategic initiatives still suggest potential upside if execution remains strong. Expanded partner integrations for social customer care and new native data observability links are set to enhance the platform for artificial intelligence applications. Additionally, a pending acquisition of a data platform and a shift to consumption-based pricing could help to rejuvenate growth and improve margins. If Salesforce successfully addresses security vulnerabilities, retains its customer base, and effectively monetizes its artificial intelligence and data cloud assets, the stock could see a significant recovery over the next 12 to 24 months. It's crucial to monitor customer retention, progress on remediation efforts, and any revisions to financial guidance. Analyst Ratings. On Monday, the 14th of July, 2025, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned a buy rating to CRM, accompanied by a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 10th of July, 2025, Cantor Fitzgerald reported a cautious rating for CRM, along with a downgrade suggestion. On the same day, BMO Capital rated CRM as outperform, also recommending a hold action. On Wednesday, the 18th of June, 2025, UBS provided an overweight grade for CRM with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 3rd of June, 2025, Cantor Fitzgerald gave CRM an overweight rating, marking it as an initialize action. Analysts have assigned Salesforce.com stock an overall neutral rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as buy. The following signals have been identified for Salesforce.com. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The Salesforce.com stock exhibits sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which suggests a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general sell signal is present due to the long-term average being above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at $244.83 and $262.02. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, July 28, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined by 13.9%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is a current sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume increased in conjunction with falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, indicating that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 11 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 10 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 8 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 12 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 113 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Salesforce.com. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Under the right conditions, the stock may experience significant declines in the coming days. This stock typically shows average movements throughout the day, and when paired with decent trading volume, the associated risk is deemed medium. In the past day, the stock fluctuated by $10.25 between its high and low points, which represents a change of 4.43%. Over the last week, the stock's daily average volatility has been 3.41%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for Salesforce.com, let's take a moment to review some key fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio might indicate that the stock is overvalued, or it could suggest that investors are anticipating significant growth in the future. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is scheduled for August 27, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $2.77. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can have a substantial effect on stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Salesforce.com. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Salesforce.com is at $260.63. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which indicates that the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider placing bets only if you are an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for Salesforce.com from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Mark Benioff, who bought and sold 3,509 shares or options in the company. An analysis of the 100 most recent insider trades indicates a negative insider power with a ratio of negative 28.790. In total, insiders purchased 33,176 shares and sold 60,235 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is Salesforce.com stock a good buy? Salesforce.com shows several negative signals and is currently in a broad declining trend, leading us to believe it will continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, we maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our conclusion from a sell to a strong sell candidate since the last assessment. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 12th of August, we anticipate that Salesforce.com will open higher by $2.71, starting at $235.39. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and a beautiful day, with warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.